Dad's sleeping.
Can you keep your voice down?
Why? What's the problem?
Don't be so noisy. Your dad's sleeping.
Oh, I didn't know. Sorry about that.
It's okay. Just try to be quieter.
Got it. I'll use my headphones.
Sending an email.
Are you busy right now?
A little. I'm sending an email. I'll be finished in a second.
Okay, no rush. I just need to ask something.
All right, give me 1 minute.
Sure, take your time.
Thanks. I'll let you know when I'm done.
Moving house.
Why is everything so messy here?
We're moving house today, so everything is a bit chaotic.
Wow, that's a lot of work. Do you need help?
That would be amazing. Can you carry some boxes?
Of course, just tell me where to start.
Thanks. Let's begin with the living room.
Waiting for the train.
What are you doing right now?
I'm waiting for the train. Hopefully it will be here soon.
Are there any delays?
Not that I know of, but it's always late.
I hope it comes on time today.
Me too. I've got an important meeting.
Taking the bus.
Why are you taking the bus these days?
I'm taking the bus at the moment because my car is getting fixed.
Oh, that's inconvenient. When will it be ready?
Hopefully by the end of the week.
At least the bus isn't too expensive.
True, but it's slower than driving.
Travelling around Europe.
Where are you guys now?
We're travelling around Europe for 3 weeks, but then we have to go back to work.
That sounds incredible. Where are you right now?
We're in Paris. It's beautiful here.
I'm so jealous. Enjoy every minute.
Thanks. I'll send you some pictures.
Not talking to each other.
Why is it so quiet here?
They're not talking to each other. They've had another argument.
Oh no, what happened this time?
I'm not sure, but it's pretty serious.
I hope they can work it out soon.
Me too. It's hard to be around this tension.
Sleeping in another room.
Are you sleeping in the guest room now?
Yes, I'm sleeping in another room because my bedroom is being decorated right now.
That makes sense. How long will it take?
The painter said it'll be done by Friday.
That's not too bad. What colour are you painting it?
A soft blue. I think it'll look great.
Babysitting.
Are you free to hang out today?
No, I'm babysitting my nephew at the moment.
Oh, how's that going?
It's fun, but he's got so much energy.
I'm sure you're doing a great job.
Thanks. I'll call you when I'm free.
Studying for an exam.
Why didn't you come to the party last night?
I couldn't. I'm studying for an exam, and it's taking all my time.
That's understandable. When's the exam?
It's on Monday, so I'll be done soon.
Good luck. Let's celebrate when it's over.
Definitely, I'll need it.